So we're out here in the yard. And Gabby's doing her thing. Nice day. And Sal's been hanging my horns. I didn't get you. Birds are chirping. Actually, Gabby just chased the birds. Time for a siesta. Huh, Gabby? Time to go in the shade. I would too. Birds on a wire. All the birds left again. The birds leave, not the doves, but the birds, they leave the feeder at a certain time each day. They just disappear, Sal. Not a bird. We've talked about that. Sal's putting up my decorations. Put my horn up. So that's Lee's yard today.